Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. I was gone most of the morning, but quite an interesting day. Again, we had another just massive sell-off out of nowhere. This one was news-driven, finally, you could tell, with the Poland issue in Russia. Be really interesting to see what happens with that overnight and tomorrow, if there's going to be any updates on that. But the biggest thing I'm seeing here is that we did come up and we did touch the 200 EMA. We could not break through it, and we couldn't even get the candle body over it. We actually pretty much finished right at it there, and then we did do a nice retrace, but we did hold this nice 398.5 support here. So this is one of those times where it's really hard to tell if we wanted to push up and we were going to find support in this area and then push up, but instead we got the bad news from Poland, Russia, and that caused an unnecessary sell-off, or if the market was going to sell off anyways and it just got accelerated. That's the hardest part about when we have a big reaction in news like this. But the biggest thing I'm seeing right here is a rejection of the 200 EMA, which makes me short-term bearish until we can close over that. If we can close over 402 and over the 200 EMA tomorrow, then I'm going to be looking for that 405.3 range. However, if we lose this 398.5 support again, I'm going to be looking to break back through in 394.9, 393, and possibly even come back down here and test 390 channel support level. If we go over to futures, future actually has a little bit more of a bearish setup with this big old gravestone long wick doji. Same thing, try to break through 200 EMA here, could not hold it. The other interesting thing here is we're seeing a double top here at 4002. We had a hard reject here. We attempted to do it again yesterday too, but had that gravestone doji. And then today we had a big pop up and another rejection right there at that 4,000 level. So pretty much until we can break through 4,000, I'm going to be bearish. However, if we can take out 4,000 tomorrow and close, especially over the 200 EMA at 40.28, then I will be pretty much bullish looking for that 4,100 level. However, if we lose that 39.64, I am looking for a bigger retrace down to 39.24, possibly even all the way down to 39.05. So over to Tesla. Tesla actually came out pretty strong, and I had mentioned the night before I was going to play puts overnight into today. I'm glad I didn't. I ended up sitting cash. We had that huge sell-off, not today, but the day before, and it kind of just shook me out because I thought the market had already sold off enough. Glad I didn't hold puts overnight, that's for sure. But the biggest thing I'm seeing here is we're holding this nice support line here, this blue one. We did break through the falling wedge right here, which is good. That's bullish. However, we rejected pretty hard here at 201, and even more so, this 196.1 level, we now have a nice double top right here. And we also have a doji. It is more or less a gravestone doji with a rejection at the daily AEMA. This is pretty bearish, to be honest. This almost looks like a bear flag to me. We came down, we attempted to recover and break out, and now we're going to see the next leg down. Almost a similar setup happened here. We had to come down, came up, rejected, and now we're going back down. So I'm looking for most important level I'm looking at tomorrow is this 196.1. If we close over this level, it closes over the 8 EMA, then I'm thinking about maybe a breakout here to 208.8 to test the daily 20 EMA. However, if we continue to reject 196.1, I'm going to be looking for 190.8 and maybe all the way even down here to 186. So looking at the VIX, you can see the VIX finally broke the bear channel here. The most important thing here that happened is that before we even had this massive reaction to the Poland stuff, the VIX actually was holding over 23.5 again, and it was pushing up. So before that even happened, the VIX already was on a move up. Then obviously that got accelerated, and then it dumped. So this gravestone doji could be a rejection at the 20 EMA. And this could show some downside where we could even look for 19.7 next week, Monday. However, this could just continue to hold this 23.5 level and put in support and push up. You kind of see the same thing that happened here. We came down on a big, long unwind day, and then we just kind of chopped here, and then we had a big, finally started to move up. So there's a good chance that we could hold this kind of 22.3 to 24.3 range, and then we can see our next move up. So definitely what I'm going to be watching. All right, hope you guys had a good day trading, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning to this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated to my videos. This is the Lifetime Discord link. If that does not work, go ahead and drop me a comment or send me a message and I'll get you a new one. On the Discord, I do pre-market update with key supports and resistance from overnight. I also do live analysis and commentary throughout the day on SPY and Tesla. And I also do my live alerts for callouts for plays that you guys see in my daily log. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit under Daddy Dersh.